Dog blood. Dog blood bush is a plant traditionally used in Caribbean and African folk medicine for various health purposes, including promoting fertility. It is also called belly bush, period pain bush, pycnimuma bush, pigeonberry, bloodberry, baby pepper, and fertility bush. Scientific name: Rivina humilis L. petaviriaceae. Grows in cool, fertile soil in gardens and cow pastures, by the corners of buildings, on the mountainside, and along roadsides. When the herb is mature, it flowers on every stem. The flowers are tiny and whitish cream colored. The berries are green when young and red when ripe. The juice from the berries is red as blood. The birds of the Blue and John Crow Mountains love to feast on the berries. The Maroons always say dog blood is a woman's best friend and use it for premenstrual symptoms. This herb is traditionally used by the Maroons for menstrual cramps, painful menstruation, clearing blocked tubes, and to regulate the menses. Traditional uses: parts used: leaves, flowers, stems. Berries, tea for menstrual problems and blocked tubes. Add 1 handful of dried dog blood leaves, flowers, and stems to a pint of cold water on a low flame to boil. When the tea starts to boil, let it simmer for 5 minutes. Then turn off the flame and let the tea steep for 15 minutes. Strain off tea. Mix 2 cups. Drink warm, straight or sweetened with honey to taste. Drink tea 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. It is alleged to have anti-inflammatory properties and is used to clean the fallopian tubes. Herbalist said the traditional uses of dog blood bush for fertility are 4. 1. Clearing fallopian tube blockages. Some women use dog blood bush as a herbal remedy for clearing fallopian tube blockages, which is a potential cause of infertility. 2. Regulating menstrual cycles. The herb is also believed to help regulate menstrual cycles, which may contribute to improved fertility. 3. Detoxifying the reproductive system. In some traditions, it's used to cleanse the womb and support general reproductive health. Note that most of the evidence supporting its use is anecdotal or based on historical practices. If you're considering using dog blood bush or any other herbal remedy for fertility, it's important to speak with your doctor, especially if you're undergoing fertility treatments or have underlying health conditions. The usual recommended dosage is 1 cup of dog blood bush per day for at least 1 month, starting 3 days before the menstrual period is due. This is continued for 7 days. The tea is consumed twice daily, once in the morning and then once in the evening. It is recommended that you avoid foods high in sugar, carbohydrates, and excessive fried foods while on the remedy. Potential side effects haven't been documented, as the safety of long-term use or potential interactions with other medications is not well studied. As such, please take caution if you have any underlying health issues. Seek your doctor advice prior to consuming dog blood tea. There have been no controlled clinical trials with the use of this herb, and so you should consult your doctor before consuming the tea, especially if you have underlying medical problems. It is important to determine the specific underlying cause of your inability to conceive instead of consuming the dog blood tea without any evaluation. If you enjoy this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for being here.